Dear friends, see, I'm thinking about a statement. If you can change your thoughts, you can change your world. A changing of thought will change the whole world. Similarly, the thought happened in the mind of the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi when he was thrown out of a railway coach, though he had first class tickets, but he was not allowed to travel in the first class, being not a white man. He was not a white man, and it was allowed only for white men to travel in first class. Though he paid for the ticket, though he had the ticket, but the ticket was not accepted by the white men. He was also not accepted by the white men. And the torture, the humiliation which he was facing at that moment of, then he was thinking not about himself, he was thinking about the whole nation. Whole nation means all Indians will be treated like this. So if this is the condition for me, it will be the condition for the great majority of the country. Or great majority of people who are humiliated, people who are underrated, people who belong to the lower caste according to the higher caste people. White men remained as the higher caste, and rest of the people remained as the lower caste. And because of that apartheid, because of that attitude, they were not able to consider their fellow beings as fellow beings. For them, only white men were their fellow beings. So the attitude was so horrible that no man can survive. No man can work with that humiliation. And the humiliation which Mohandas felt at that moment made him to think differently. And that different thought which came in his mind is, if this is the reality, who can survive? So let me work against this. So a decision taken by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi when he was thrown out of the cabin, thrown out of the coach, and the decision was taken by him, and that decision led him to a lot of changes, not only in him, but also in the whole majority, or not only in the whole majority, the coming generation, which made Martin Luther King's, which made Nelson Mandela's, which made a lot of changes all over the world. The single thought which came in the mind of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Such a change happened because he became the representation of the downtrodden. He became the representation of the downtrodden. He wanted to make a change, not only in him, but change in everybody. And he wanted to make a change in the attitude. Whatever attitude was going on was an attitude of humiliation. And it was the feeling of the oppressed, and he belonged to the oppressed group, and he wanted to get rid of that, and he wanted freedom, and that freedom, he was a monger of freedom, and becoming a monger of freedom. At the end, what happened? He could achieve freedom from the British. And that happened in the later stage. But the seeds of that happened in the railway coach when the first humiliation happened. That humiliation led him to that thought, a great thought which changed the life of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and the whole nation. So a single thought can change our life. So that's why it is said, if you can change your thoughts, you can change your world. Let us be aware of it. Let us be aware of that power of thought, a power of thought which can change ourselves and change the whole of mankind. So let us catch hold of that thought, whatever thought it is. A thought can change us all. May God bless us all to change our thoughts to greater thoughts. Thank you very much.